Welcome to the Input and Output Cortical Areas tutorial. Input and output cortical areas are the gateway between the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. They are considered to be brain terminals in FEAGI, enabling sensory information to flow into the brain and brain commands to flow out to intended devices. To add these cortical areas, click on the cortical areas icon in the top left of your screen, then click Add Cortical Area. Select Input when you are looking for a cortical area responsible for receiving input signals from sensory devices. You will be presented with many different choices, but we will discuss the function of these different input types in a future tutorial. To add an input cortical area to your brain visualizer, customize its location and press Add. On the other hand, if you want a cortical area responsible for sending cortical signals to motors and actuators, select Output. Once again, we'll discuss these different output types later. Similarly, customize its location and press Add. We can categorize input and output cortical areas into multiple groups based on their modalities such as actuators, vision, sensors, and training. To make things simple, we will list the cortical area group by name, type, meaning input versus output, its default dimensions, a short description, and examples of the way it can be utilized. Actuators are responsible for converting energy into movement. Some actuators include motor control, servo control, navigation, speed, motion control, emergency stop, and position initializer. A robot's vision allows it to perceive its environment using configurations like cameras. The vision types include eccentricity, modulation, horizontal flip, vertical flip, lighting enhancement, lighting threshold, and blink. Sensors enable robots to understand their environmental conditions. Sensors include infrared, inverse infrared, proximity, accelerometer, gyroscope, battery gauge, and visions. Training refers to the improvement of a robot's brain, optimizing neural networks that control decision-making. Our training cortical areas include ID trainer and ID recognition. If you feel as though you need a cortical area not currently available in Neurorobotics Studio, FEAGI's open source platform allows you to add your own customizable cortical area.